Welcome back to this training series. In this video, you'll be learning how to install WordPress theme via cPanel by using the zip file. Before you can do that, you must have downloaded the WordPress theme you want to upload on your device, whether your mobile device or your PC. Once you have done that, log into your cPanel, locate File Manager. Under File, locate File Manager. Then when it's open, look for the folder of the file, go to public HTML, locate the folder of the file you want to install WordPress theme. Then click on WP Content, then on Themes. Then what you're going to do is to click Upload. Click on Upload. Then you look for the downloaded WordPress theme on your device and upload it. So after uploading, I have to go back to the page we were before. Then we're going to extract the uploaded file. After extraction, refresh or reload. We're going to extract this file again because we have not gotten the WordPress folder of the theme. So we are going to extract again. Extract this file again. So after extraction, we reload again. Then you can see the extracted files. We click on theme. So this is the WordPress theme we want to install. What we're going to do is extract this zip file. We extract the both. So after extraction, we reload again. As you can see, we have gotten the folder of the theme we want to install on our WordPress. So once we have done that, once you have done that, we have to go back to our WordPress dashboard. Then click Appearance. Under Appearance, click Themes. So as you can see, this is the WordPress theme we just installed. We just uploaded through cPanel. We can install it. Click on Install to install it. For this upload of WordPress theme, we extracted about 3 times to get the folder of the WordPress theme we want to install. But most of the times, you only need to extract once to get the folder of the WordPress theme you want to install. So that is how to install WordPress theme via cPanel by using zip file. If this is your first time of watching our video, please like, subscribe, and comment if you have any question. See you in the next video.